Hello, 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 boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle. Binary puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 16th, 2024. And in this additional, I've already solved two puzzles this evening, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cyber Block, in Japanese Sugu with 4 stars. And you are interested in this one. Yeah, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8373. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 17 printed digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then, let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now I need to think. Come on. Here we have 3 O's. I cannot place the 4th O there, otherwise we have 3 ones in a row in the 3rd row. So this can be a no. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 3 O's. If we place number 4 there, then we have 1, 2, 3 ones in a row in the 2nd row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again, And I like this one, yes. Without comparing. And yeah, if you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. We'll meet again in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.